Join me as I dive deep into the world of AI to see if Deepseek can really take the crown from ChatGPT. Deepseek is a new AI tool that's been making waves in the tech community, and today I want to explore whether it has what it takes to replace the reigning champion, ChatGPT. To understand what Deepseek brings to the table, we need to understand its purpose and how it relates to ChatGPT. Essentially, Deepseek is designed to help humans and AI systems work together more seamlessly, by providing a more intuitive and human-like interface for interacting with AI models. ChatGPT, on the other hand, has been the go-to language model for many applications, from chatbots to content generation. However, despite its impressive capabilities, ChatGPT has some significant limitations. One major issue is its lack of transparency. It's often difficult to understand how it's arriving at its responses, which can make it challenging to trust. Additionally, ChatGPT's training data is often biased, which can lead to inaccurate or inappropriate responses. Another challenge is its inability to handle complex, multi-step tasks, which limits its usefulness in many real-world applications. And finally, ChatGPT's architecture is relatively inflexible, making it difficult to adapt to new tasks or domains. These limitations have led to a growing demand for more advanced AI tools that can address these shortcomings. To answer that, let's take a closer look at Deepseek's features and capabilities. Deepseek's core innovation is its use of cognitive architectures, which are inspired by the human brain's ability to reason and learn. This allows Deepseek to handle complex, multi-step tasks with ease, and to learn from human feedback in real time. Additionally, Deepseek's interface is designed to be highly intuitive and transparent, making it easier for humans to understand and trust its responses. In contrast to ChatGPT's black box approach, Deepseek provides a clear explanation of its reasoning and decision-making processes. And unlike ChatGPT, Deepseek is highly adaptable, able to learn and adjust to new tasks and domains with ease. In terms of raw language understanding, Deepseek is arguably more advanced than ChatGPT, with the ability to handle nuanced language, idioms, and figurative language. It can also generate more coherent and contextually relevant responses, which makes it well-suited for applications like customer service and tech support. And finally, Deepseek's architecture is highly modular, making it easy to integrate with other AI models and systems, and to scale up or down as needed. So, will Deepseek replace ChatGPT? In my opinion, it's highly likely. Deepseek's unique combination of cognitive architectures, transparency, and adaptability make it a game-changer in the AI landscape. As more and more developers and businesses begin to adopt Deepseek, I predict that ChatGPT will increasingly be relegated to niche applications where its limitations are less of an issue. This is a critical moment in AI development as we move from a black box approach to one that prioritizes transparency, trust, and human-centered design. In conclusion, Deepseek is a powerful new tool that's poised to shake up the AI landscape. By addressing the limitations of ChatGPT and providing a more intuitive, transparent, and adaptable approach to AI interaction, Deepseek is likely to become the new gold standard for AI applications. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on Deepseek versus ChatGPT in the comments below. If you're interested in more AI-related content, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe for more.